Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making a really quick simple curry salmon. This is a salmon that you get in the tin, so it's going to be really easy and super delicious, and it's great with just plain white rice. So to start this recipe, I'm adding in some oil in my pot and I have my heat on medium. To that I'm going to add in some cumin or jeera seeds. And I like adding it before the oil is really hot. And then goes some fenugreek or meaty seeds. These are going to take their time and they're going to brown. You don't want it to burn, so as they get dark brown, we'll add in some aromatics. I have onions and pimento peppers chopped, and I'm adding in a few curry leaves, which is optional. And you can also add a hot pepper or a scotch bonnet or a habanero if you wanted it spicy. So we're going to allow that to saute until the onion turns light brown in color on the edges. And then we'll add in our minced garlic. Now we're going to allow the garlic to cook until it's light brown in color. You don't want to burn the garlic. Now we're going to go in with our curry powder. I'm using a mild curry powder here. And a little curry powder goes a long way. You don't need this to be overly strong with that curry flavor. So we're going to toast the curry for about a minute until it feels grainy. After that 1 minute, we're going to add some water to help the curry cook, and it's going to cook until it turns into a thick paste and the oil starts separating from the curry. You see how that looks? That's how you want it to get. The oil is separating from the curry. And now we're going to add in our cleaned salmon from the tin. I already cleaned it ahead of time. I'm adding in some green seasoning. In goes some chopped scallions and chopped celery. And one large potato, chopped really small, along with one plum tomato chopped. Now the tomato is optional. I know a lot of you don't like to put tomatoes in your curry, so you can omit that. I put in a little bit of salt, and now we're just going to toss everything to combine. And we're going to allow this to cook. We're actually going to be cooking it covered. So once you mix it and you distribute the curry really well, then we'll go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook on a medium heat. Now it seems like there is not a lot of curry in there, but as it cooks, you'll see how it starts to take on that curry color. Let's check on it. You see how it's looking? You want to check on it, make sure that the potatoes are cooking. You want to cook it until the potatoes are tender. And you can still see chunks of salmon in there. That's how we like it. Cover and let it continue to cook. This would take about 15 minutes in total, just until the potatoes are properly cooked. Once the potatoes are tender, you can taste and adjust your salt, and then serve this with rice or with roti. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.